Changing your primary email on EVgo is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your account is updated correctly. Step 1. Log into your EVgo account. Visit the EVgo website and log into your account using your current email and password. Step 2. Access account settings. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use S-Word to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. Scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Locate email preferences. In the account settings, look for an option related to email preferences or contact information. Click on this option to proceed. Step 4. Update your email address. Enter your new primary email address in the designated field. Make sure to double check for any typos before saving the changes. Step 5. Confirm the change. After updating your email, you may receive a confirmation email at your new address. Follow the instructions in that email to verify the change. Once you have completed these steps, your primary email on EVgo will be successfully updated. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to EVgo customer support for assistance.